want to have the lasagna. Alright, I pronounce it properly. I mean lasagna. But you don't want to make enough to feed a whole family. So let's make Zoo's one-pan lasagna. Let's make our homemade ragu with 1 carrot, 1 onion, a little bit of garlic, and fry that hamburger meat until all the pink is gone. The earliest version of lasagna was not known until the Romans conquered the region in medieval times. But it was originally made with a flatbread dough and noodles cut into strips. In fact, it didn't even have any tomatoes. It was also eaten with a large wooden skewer instead of a fork. Then 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce along with 15 ounces of crushed tomatoes with 1 tablespoon of sugar, oregano, basil, and set aside for 1 to 3 hours, depending on how much time you have, but 1 hour at the bare minimum. You can't have the lasagna without any of that bechamel sauce. Get that ricotta out of here. Melt down 35 grams of butter, 35 grams of flour, and mix into a nice paste before adding in 2 cups of milk. Once the sauce has begun to thicken, add in 1 tablespoon of nutmeg and black pepper before adding 75 grams of parmesano reggiano until you get a somewhat thick sauce. Add to the bottom of a square tray your finished ragu along with a sheet of lasagna noodles, fresh and not dry. Then add in another layer of ragu, bechamel sauce, and repeat up to 3 to 4 layers. Add to the final layer the last little bit of bechamel sauce and mozzarella cheese, and bake for 40 to 50 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until you see a nice golden crust. Voila! Delicious lasagna!